You're watching a short video about how to submit and view condition reports in Maximo. The condition reporting system is a low-threshold, high-volume reporting system accessible to anyone with a Grant PUD login. And the purpose is to capture any undesirable, adverse, or off-normal condition by submitting a condition report.
Here are some examples of things we'd like to see in the condition reporting system, but we really want you to feel free to submit anything you feel is important.
Your workstation should have a condition report desktop icon. Double-clicking on the icon should open Maximo and take you right to the condition reporting application.
I have 3 examples for condition reporting, and the first one is a suggestion for a process improvement. So I will add a short summary and put all the details in the details section. Next, I need to pick a condition report location. So I'll click the select value icon next to the location field, and I'm just going to select other and then put some detail in the description. And when you click the submit button, a friendly little dialog box is presented. I can view the details of this report, or I can return back to the Maximo Start Center, which is like the Maximo homepage, or I can create another condition report. So I will select create another condition report because I have another example to show you.
For this example, I need to report an injury. So once again, I've got a summary field and a detail field to fill out. I need to pick a location, so I'm going to select the other, and then I'm going to give a description. Since this is an injury, I should click here if an injury occurred, and you'll see more fields become available at the bottom of the form. So I will scroll down, and there's some required fields here: incident priority and hazard type. So I will select an incident priority and a hazard type from these pick lists. Laceration. If the hazard type is not in this list, I can pick other, and then I need to fill out a hazard type description. But in this case, what I need is in the list, so I'll just use laceration. Or I can add more information. On the right-hand side of the injury form, I can add a body part. So I'm going to click the Add Body Part button. And now I will select value. And this was a hand. And I can add more body parts that were injured if need be. And I click the Submit button. And now I've submitted another condition report. And I have a third example. Create another condition report. For this example, I'm going to use a mobile incident. So this is a cracked windshield on a district-owned vehicle. So I will select other and fill out Beverly Brook Road. And this was a mobile equipment incident, so I need to check the checkbox for mobile equipment incident and put in the equipment number. And I feel this was a safety-related close call, so I will click the checkbox for safety-related close call and click Submit. Next, I'd like to show you how to attach files to condition reports in Maximo. The right-hand side of the screen has an Attach File button, so I will click that, and I have a dialog box, Create a File Attachment. I need to select a file, and now I would browse out to the location where my image or document exists, and click Open, and click OK. So now I've attached that image to this condition report, and I can repeat this as many times as needed The last thing I'd like to show you is how to view condition reports that you've submitted. And you should have a Maximo desktop icon also. And once you open that desktop icon, you'll be logged into Maximo at what we call the Start Center. Depending on your role and job title, you'll probably have different Start Center templates. In this case, I have condition reporting, labor reporting, and self-service as selectable templates. I'm currently on the condition reporting template, and it shows me the condition reports I've submitted, or I can go into the View Condition Report application. And this has two sections. The top section is used to search for condition reports that are previously submitted. And the bottom section shows the results based on my search. Now I only have 5 of them, but I could have a lot more than that, and I could use these filter fields to narrow down my list of results. I'll just go ahead and open up the first one. So this is the View Condition Report application, and it shows all the information that I entered. If I scroll down, I can show you that I can add attachments at this point, or I can update the condition report by creating a log entry. To do that, I just click Update Condition Report. So I'll click into the summary and put more information there. And then I can add more details also. Finished, I just click OK. And now I've added a log entry to this condition report in Maximo. When I'm finished viewing my condition reports, I can click the Home button in the upper left-hand corner to take me back to the Maximo Start Center, or I can log out of Maximo and close my browser. So this concludes how to submit and view condition reports in Maximo.